Hi folks, welcome back to Green Iron TV. On this episode, we're going to be painting crosses and markings on the 1967 M725 ambulance that we've been restoring. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks. All right, folks, we're going to start laying out the crosses, and we're going to start with the side cross here. The white base is 38 by 38, so we're going to use the seam as the center, and we know we need to come down 1 inch from the drip rail, and so we'll measure 1 inch down, put our first piece of tape, measure, and work out our square. And we'll end up with 38 by 38. All right, now we should have a nice straight line to work from. We'll come down 38. All right, we're gonna double check. Should have 38. 38. 38. So we know those two are square. So now we'll go out 19 each side from the seam and make a mark. And we should have 38 between the marks. Let's just put a couple middle marks just for reference. And tie them together. So, all right, now we got our 38 by 38 square. We'll go ahead and work on the other side, the back side, and the big one on the roof. So we're going to keep working our way around. Okay, laying out the back cross, we know the white is 35 by 35, and that's actually going to take us right here from the bottom edge of the window all the way to the bottom seam of the door. So it is going to make it a little easy for us to do the top and bottom. Then we just got to do our width, and we'll have that one all boxed out. right, we just need to mark out our width, so 35. So half of that. I'm going to use right from the seam here. All right, there we have our nice laid out 30 by 35 by 35 white base. And on to the next one, which is the hard one. That's the roof. So probably won't get any video of that because it's up on the roof. So you'll just have to trust me. But we know that one is going to be 64 inches by 64 inches. So we'll get that all laid out. All right, folks, welcome back. We have the 7125 all masked off and ready, and we're going to start. We're going to paint the white squares, sides, tops, and rear doors so that we can get the medical crosses all set up. So that's coming up. All right, folks. We hustled home from work tonight. Was able to get all the white backgrounds painted. We'll give that a couple days to dry and cure up, and then we'll mark off for the red crosses, and we'll get those painted, and then we'll be moving on to the rest of the markings on the vehicle. So we're getting close. We're going to keep working. To paint the crosses, we've just used simple Rust-Oleum, semi-gloss white, and safety red. All right, folks, our backgrounds are nice and dry. We have the white backgrounds all painted all the way around. So we're going to start by marking off for the crosses. We have the 38-inch white background. The cross is going to be 36 inches, which will be real easy. You just have to remember each arm of the cross is basically a 12 by 12 square with a 12 by 12 square in the middle. That'll give you a nice even big cross. You'll then have an inch border at either side of the cross. So we'll start with marking off that first one and then move our way around the vehicle. All right, now we know from the center seam, we're going to go 6 inches either side to make our 12-inch. All right, now we got the one. Now we'll figure out the sides here and lay the side in. All right, so we got our basic cross all laid out. Now we'll take the knife, we'll go in, and we're going to trim that. Okay, there's our cross all laid out. We'll go ahead and mask off the other areas. Go ahead and get the others all laid up around the rest of the vehicle, and we'll be ready to paint crosses. All right, one cross completely undone. Looking good. We're going to continue to unmask the rest of the vehicle and see how it turns out. All right, folks, that's a wrap. We've shown you here how to put all the crosses on, where their markings are. We've shown you the illustrations of the sizing for the markings. So for all you people restoring a 67 M725 style ambulance, there's your tips on how to get it properly marked. So stay tuned. Next episode we'll be doing the rest of the markings. We have an awesome decal kit on the way. Should be here next, and we'll get that installed. Remember, thanks for stopping by. Leave a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it. You have a good night.